What's going on, guys? Fish tank scraper today. So, welcome to the Rev Room. Fish tank scrapers. I'm not even going to make an attempt to sound out that brand, but fish tank scraper on Amazon. I bought this on Amazon, and obviously I have a fish tank. Obviously I needed a scraper, so I bought this. Two things that were important to me with buying a fish tank scraper was that, one, it used normal razor blades. That's number one, because when you buy these and they have the special 2.5-inch blade and all this other crap, you can't find the replacements for it, so you end up throwing the thing out and buying a whole new one. Don't do that. Get something, not even this brand, get something else. Make sure it's a standard size razor blade so that you can utilize a razor blade from anywhere. You can go to Home Depot, buy like a pack of 100 in a little container, whatever. Anyway, part two was that the shaft, if you will, was metal. This claimed to be metal. The only thing that's metal on this is this piece of metal across the top. That's it. So, kind of got a little pissed off with ordering this particular thing because it wasn't metal like they claimed, but it is very sturdy plastic. I only paid like $8 for this thing, so I'm not really too upset about it. It has the standard size razor blade attachment. So you take the screw off, the blade sits in there. There's like these two little notches that all normal standard razor blades have. It sits in there, tighten up the screw, and you're ready to clean the glass. Now the cool thing about this, these are just push to connect. So if you wanted it to be shorter, you could do it shorter. I obviously needed the length. So it is almost 22 inches long from the tip of the razor to the handle. That will vary depending on how hard you jam this in. I didn't really do it that well, but I just wanted to test it. Obviously with a brand new sharp razor blade, it's going to work phenomenally. It does bend, as you guys can see, slightly. So you do have to kind of do one of these jammies to do it, but it works. So it got the job done for me. I really can't complain too much. I did want a metal shaft so that it wouldn't bend that much. They're almost impossible to find. So if you guys do know of one that is like 22 to 26 inches long, my tank is very tall, that is a single shaft and metal, okay? At this point, I don't even care what it costs because I want it. I was going to make a custom one, but didn't really feel like dealing with all of that, and I just needed to clean the glass quickly because my old one broke. So the old one was a metal shaft. I can't find it anymore, and this piece actually broke off. Unfortunately, this does not fit into this, so I bought this junk. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys need a cheap, again, $8 scraper on Amazon, check this one out. It's good. It'll get the job done. It's better for your shorter tanks, 20-gallon, 30-gallon, etc. If you have anything bigger, you know, even 75 you can get away with. You could cheat. But, you know, anything bigger than that, your hand's going to get wet when you're getting in there and trying to reach towards the bottom. But it is what it is. And that's all I got for you guys today. Check out our playlist sections. We got tons of videos there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We got new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.